What's going on, guys? If you guys are interested in learning how to trade futures, maybe you don't want to use your own money, make sure to check the link down in my description box below. I work with Top Step. We actually had a monster move here as I was making this intro of this video. Look at what the NQ just did on the screen. Okay. Where was I going? If you guys want to trade futures, you guys want to get funded up to $50, $100, $150,000 worth of trading capital, you do have to show that you can be profitable. You do have to obey some rules. Yeah, I know, rules, right? Oh, I got to go through and do a demo account and trade simulation. Yeah, if you can't make any money, then who's on earth is gonna let you trade their capital, right? This is a US based prop firm based in Chicago, Central Standard Time. So make sure you kind of correlate everything with the Central Standard Time hours that they kind of are abiding by and correlate that to your time zone. But what I'm trying to say is this is a perfect opportunity for you guys to kind of make some money. I'm going to highlight a couple of trades that I personally took here, and somewhere on this video I'm going to put my P&L for the day. I did over $1,000, over $1,500 in trading profits. I'm going to get that exact number for you here in just a second. But what we're looking at here is a couple of trades that I take, and these were my two biggest trades. Mind you, I am on a funded account. I do have a cushion. What does that mean? I'm well over the amount that, you know, for my trailing drawdown, because if you have like a $50,000 account, they're only going to give you $2,000 weekly worth of max drawdown, right? So you're going to have to make sure and obey by the rules, but I'm well over that. So I don't really have to be too concerned about that weekly drawdown, as I've got a little bit of a cushion, and I actually started off today very, very hot, right? So I went up $900 very, very quickly on the day and kind of took a break. I took a break. I made a YouTube training video on scalping, kind of came back and started looking at the chart, and I seen a nice little setup. So what I was looking at initially was this price here, okay? On the NASDAQ, which is NQ. And mind you, just for full disclosure, I did play 4 NQ contracts. Again, I'm going to make this very, very, very clear. If you are trying to get funded or a newer trader, please do not trade NQ. Please do not trade more than one contract on the NQ until you build up a cushion, until you've taken some withdrawals, meaning you have paid yourself cash, hard dollars, and you are comfortable with the level of risk. Please stay away from the NQ. Trade the micros, which is ticker symbol MNQ. Okay, I'm saying that to kind of protect everyone. I'm not saying that because I don't want you guys to make money. I'm saying that to protect you. Please trust me. With that being said, I was looking at a price point of 12,558. If we can kind of see this nice recovery off the bottom here and we see some consolidation, then we see it kind of pull back into this 50 and 10-day moving average here on a 5-minute time frame, and then we started to consolidate more. What I was looking for here was a break over 12,588. Okay, as soon as we broke 12,588, I bought 4 contracts, and as soon as I bought those 4 contracts, we immediately went from 12,588 all the way up to a price of around 12,594. I started to scale off one contract. We did start to pull back. However, one thing that I was looking at is we never pulled below these moving averages here, never lost the previous candle's low, and this candle here decided to, you know, go ahead and actually test that 10 SMA. Did put me into a little bit of a drawdown on the remaining 3 contracts. I'm not gonna lie, started to get a little nervous, because if we were to lose this 10 SMA here, we had a lot room down here, and that was going to really put me into some drawdown. But again, you have to trust the technicals, you have to trust the price action. We got this nice bounce off of it, and as soon as we started to bounce off of it again and started to make this little bit of a run up here on this next candle, I immediately sold the rest of my contracts. Okay, the next play that I was looking for here was this 200 SMA. If we kind of look at this declining 200 SMA here, we got rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. What I was looking at after we kept getting rejected and I seen these nice wicks here, I told myself, if price action lost the 5 SMA and this candle here took it out, I'm going to take this short position for a very quick scalp here into the next demand. So watch the training video I just released. I'm talking about scalping from line to line, from supply to supply and demand to demand. I started to immediately take half my size off here, and as soon as I took half my size off here, it just exploded and went down to the next area of demand, which is what? The 20 SMA. As I started making this intro, we seen the nice pop here. What would have been your next long setup, and this was actually the long setup I was making, but I was recording this intro. The next long setup here was over 12,607, which was the high of day, or which was the current high at that time in this consolidation, and it was over that 200 SMA, and you can see exactly what happens once we confirm that 200 SMA. We exploded of a price between 12,608 all the way up to a price of 12,620. That's a 12-point move. If you're playing minis, that's a hell of a move. It's a fantastic move. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys an outline what exactly I played. And again, I'm going to put that P&L. I took multiple trades today, 10 trades total, trading futures, up over $1,000 on a session. I am done today. I know that anytime, you know, even though there's potential to make thousands of dollars trading futures, if I go up $500, $1,000, I consider myself very lucky and very blessed, right? How many people can go clock into work and make $500? How many people can go and clock in one day make $1,000, right? I mean, there is occupations and career paths out there that can definitely do that. But when you can sit here on my rump, right? I can sit here on my rump and I can do this from the comfort of my own home and my own home office and everything like that, and do it very quickly and be able to pay my bills, pay my mortgage, pay my car payments, you know, get my daily Starbucks every day, put food on the table for my family and my son, and have money left over in my pocket to kind of buy what I want to buy or take a vacation when I want to take one. Again, I am not saying that I'm some multi-millionaire, but definitely make over 6 figures a year day trading. And I would rather do this than go punch a clock 9 to 5 every single day. If you guys want to learn how you guys can kind of level up your trading, kind of get in tune with the mindset and the right psychology behind trading, and actually learn and practice a strategy that you can take to the market each and every single day, visit evolutionsTraders.com. That's my website. It's my online community. It's my online school where I have a couple of courses. I'm able to ask, you're able to ask me one-on-one questions. I'm able to work with you one-on-one. We can do live Zoom calls. We can do live chat. We can do everything goes on in the personal Discord here at Evolution Traders. I've got a lot of traders in there who can also help you out. So again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.